Hello fellas, I have received this one from the customer and honestly I don't remember what customer told what was wrong with it. Okay, but we can see that it's without the screws and only one screw here, and of course it definitely was disassembled. I will try to press it all together and turn it on. Okay, it's only click sound. So I will remove electrical tape. It's good, I don't need to unscrew the ton of screws for this one. What we have here, yeah, like all tools, we have gear assy. We can check the gear assy moves easily. I can spin the anvil. Okay, so leaving it for now, and we can suspect that the problem is in the motor. I will take out the armature. Have some small dust, dirt, like for the nutgun, because it is working mostly on a car repair shops, so it's not very clean out there. Okay, what we have here, and I'm just trying to inspect the visually. Maybe I will see something wrong with this one. And I'm back to this tool with the replacement for a new unit, genuine. Wash it from Milwaukee, and you can see that they look the same. And now I need to just replace all this here, so take it out, everything. The plastic piece here. Just getting it fit. Yeah, the button is pressing. Okay, the LED light, the ground light, I think, and all this is just replaceable. Now of course I need to align all the wires in the gaps made for them. Okay, the controller. Battery terminal. Of course, the switch in the field. We'll just check if I can fit everything here. Okay, seems that everything will fit here, and I will put the armature. The wires will go here, the red one, the black, the white. Okay. sometimes I just wonder why they are not making the wires a little bit longer. Because now they are looked like stretched. Of course they will go good in housing, but still maybe this one can be a little bit longer and it will be easier to mount here. Okay, but I don't know, maybe it's because of the money or something. Okay, the pin and the hammering housing. And now my job is to align everything, especially the hammering housing. Okay, I'll just check for the pin. Yep. I can see that I need to turn this housing a little bit. Okay. Okay, now I need to push the armature a little bit to the housing. Okay. The field. Now I don't like the field. Okay. Now it seems to be in place. I will try to put the direction changer button. Seems to be good here, and I will try to run it slowly, gently. Yep, it once. Okay, don't forget the spring for the battery terminal. And this one looks like bended a little bit. Okay, now I need to close this one, and customer send it for me without screws, so I think I will take the one screw and then I will just try to find screws for this one and fit them. Mount it easily. Okay, done. Strange. Now it seems closing. Okay. Try the screw here. The bad screw. Not why the housing goes so hard. Okay, it's starting to get a shape. Yeah. And we have the housing issue here, easily fixable. And here must go some long screw. The longer one. Okay. Okay, sorry, no scene where the video stopped because the memory card has run out of space. So the tool is working. Okay, and that was easy repair, and what I was did wrong before the housing, the hardly was closing. I was just mounting the field a little bit forward, so pushed it backward, and then everything come together easily. So for now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channels. Bye.